Welcome to the Lewis floor plan. This beautiful one-story home includes up to 5 spacious bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a beautiful kitchen, an elegant dining room, and a generous great room, all that interact perfectly with the outdoor covered patio. The master suite of the Lewis includes a private bathroom retreat with a step-in shower, twin sinks, and a huge walk-in closet. This incredible new home also includes a walk-in laundry room, an optional bunk room in place of the 3rd and 4th bedrooms, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-bay garage with an optional mini garage. And because Lennar is the only home builder to offer everything's included homes, the Lewis also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you've come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.